Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today, we are going to start a new grammar topic, that is pronoun and its types. Let's have a look on this passage. Read this passage carefully. Chirag met his cousin Malini. Malini was buying some fruit. Chirag told Malini that he was going to meet Chirag's grandfather. He believed that fruit was good for Chirag and requested her to bring some fruit along for Chirag and his grandfather. Chirag and his grandfather planned to spend the day playing chess and having fruit. So, my dear students, now tell me, what are you seeing or observing in this passage? Look at this passage carefully. Yes, in this passage you have noticed that there are some naming words are given, that is Chirag, Malini, Chirag's grandfather. These naming words are being repeated here. Now look at another passage. Chirag met his cousin Malini. She was buying some fruit. He told her that he was going to meet his grandfather. He believed that fruit was good for him and requested her to bring some fruit along for them. They planned to spend the day playing chess and having fruit. Now, dear students, look again this passage carefully. What have you noticed in this passage? You have observed that we have replaced these naming words with she, he, his, him, her, they. Now, my dear students, tell me, what are these words? These words are called pronoun. So, today we will start or learn about pronoun. Before going to start today's class, I am giving you a few instructions. Listen carefully. My first instruction is watch the video carefully. Keep a pen and notebook with you. Pause the video on my command. So, our learning outcome will be, what are pronouns? Why do we need pronoun? How many types of pronouns are there? This will be the learning outcome of our today's class. To achieve this aim or learning outcome, we will follow an agenda. As you know, firstly, I will ask some questions, questioning, then discussion. After that, application part will be there. Then I will give you homework. Now, let's start our today's topic. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used at the place of noun. It is used to avoid the repetition of noun. It plays the same role as that of a noun. Like noun, it has number, gender and case, etc. Here are given some examples. Vijay is my brother. Vijay plays cricket. Vijay goes to school. So, to avoid the repetition of the subject Vijay, we will use he. Thus, the sentence in the above example becomes, Vijay is my brother. He plays cricket. He goes to school. We have replaced Vijay with he. He is here pronoun. Now we will learn types of pronouns. Pronouns can be classified into 7 kinds. First is personal pronoun, second one is possessive pronoun, third one is reflexive, fourth is emphatic, fifth one is demonstrative, sixth is interrogative pronoun, and seventh is relative pronoun. These are the 7 types of pronouns. In this video we will learn 4 types of pronouns. First is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is used in place of all 3 persons: first person, second person, and third person. Let's explain personal pronoun with the help of a table. In this table, as you are seeing, first person, it denotes the speaker of the statement. It has 2 numbers, singular and plural. In singular, I, my, me, mine, myself, and in plural, we, our, us, ours, ourselves. This is about the first person. And in second person, it denotes the person with whom the speaker is speaking. Second person pronouns are you, your, yours, yourself. And third person is, it denotes the persons or things about which something is being said. It has 2 numbers and 3 genders. In singular part, masculine, he, his, him, himself. In feminine, she, her, hers, herself. And in neuter, it, its, itself. Or plural form are they, their, them, their, themselves. This is all about personal pronoun. Now second is possessive pronoun. A pronoun that denotes ownership or relationship is called possessive pronoun. It can also be called possessive case of pronoun as mentioned above. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its are some possessive pronouns. Look at the examples. This purse is mine. This bike is yours. Mine and yours are possessive pronoun. Here will we read about difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective. What are possessive adjectives? A possessive adjective is not used in the place of noun but along with a noun. For example, and possessive pronoun is used in the place of a noun. It doesn't take a noun after it. Possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, their, its. And possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its. Look at the examples of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Vansh is my brother. This book is Vansh's. And Vansh is my brother. This book is his. This is the example of possessive pronoun. And look at the example of possessive adjective. Vansh is my brother. This is Vansh's book. Vansh is my brother. This is his book. As I have told you, a possessive pronoun is used in the place of a noun. It doesn't take a noun after it. And in possessive adjective is not used in the place of noun but along with a noun. These are the different examples of possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Now third pronoun is reflexive pronoun. This pronoun is used when the subject performs action on itself. The subject works as the object also. Examples are Mohan ruined himself. Be careful, you will burn yourself. Himself and yourself are the examples of reflexive pronoun. Fourth is emphatic pronoun. This pronoun has the same form as that of a reflexive pronoun. Means reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronouns are same. It is used to add emphasis to a given statement. It is generally used before the verb and near to the subject. Examples are: I myself witnessed this accident. He himself wrote the story. Myself and himself are the examples of emphatic pronoun. Now look at this table. Emphatic and reflexive pronouns, singular and plural. Myself, yourself, himself or herself, itself. And in plural form, ourselves, yourselves, themselves and themselves. These are reflexive and emphatic pronoun. So my dear students, today you have learned about 4 types of pronoun. First one is personal pronoun, second is possessive pronoun, third is reflexive pronoun and fourth is emphatic pronoun. Now it's your turn. You have to do this worksheet. Underline the possessive pronoun in the sentences. What you have to do, you have to underline the possessive pronouns. As you know, what are possessive nouns? Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs and its are some examples of possessive pronouns. Read these sentences carefully and underline the possessive pronoun. Now I am giving you homework also. Filling the blanks with correct pronouns. You have to read these fill-ups and then do it carefully. First one is: this dog is dash, you or yours, dash, your and you should take care of dash, him, it or her. In this way you have to do all these fill-ups. I hope you enjoyed today's class and you understood about pronoun and its 4 types, and next 3 types we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.